and bright beneath the shining morning light. Kids so brave they start to roam, adventure calling far from home. Animals and trees they meet, journey on with happy feet, learning as they go along, singing nature's sweetest song. Brave kids in the forest tall, learning lessons big and small, with a smile and courage strong. Join us as we sing along. Every bird and buzzing bee teaches them so happily, nature's secrets wild and free, hidden wonders come and see. Twinkling stars and moonlight glow, guide them where they need to go. Hand in hand they face the night, hearts so pure their spirits bright. Climbing hills and crossing streams, sharing laughter, sharing dreams, knowledge growing every day. In the forest they will stay.
Wala ta medyo mayat siguro ata kano nga nasabitin. Lakan kanan na ne, hindi na pa makan ne, ngato-ngato na tamiwa na.
YQ1 and Botting Beater's star is move across the big one in fill. And every bird and buzzing bee teaches them so happily, nature's secrets wild and free, hidden wonders come and see. Twinkling stars and moonlight glow,